Hi, I wanted to show the program PhotoToPage, which I have written in Qt. You can download the source code here on GitHub. You can contact me here on GitHub or just write me an email to this email address. So what does it do? It does the job to get from photos like this. There I have photographed a book with my DSLR, a tripod and the proper light setup to get to a PDF like this one, which is perfect for reading and a quite good quality. So let's start the program. As you can see here, the last session gets restored. I have left the program here. What we can see is here the image in the background. In green we see here the rectangle for the page, how it gets exported. Here the page number, or it can be any page name. And here a red thumb hiding rectangle, so you don't get the thumb image on the exported page. Let's go to the menu bar. You can open any JPEG file. Here you can see the bunch of images I have in this session or project. You can go to the next and previous image with the shortcuts P and N. You can add elements, like I told before, add a page or a thumb hiding rectangle, or you can delete selected rectangles like this. You can export the current image or the pages of the current image, and you can do this for all images in the folder with a batch process. This checkbox is that the software goes to the next photo when you export the pages of one image. And here just fit to screen and auto fit to screen when we advance to the next page. So you can zoom in here, look at the details, hit Ctrl 0 and it's fitted to the window. So let me show the usage of the program. Let's go to the next page. Next. I hit F to add a page rectangle. I start on the left border of the page. It's important, don't use the right first. Then have a look. It's proper rotated, and also the width fits to the page. Click, then set the top border and the bottom border. The software suggests the right page number, which is increased automatically, so I just hit enter. Do it for the next page. Enter. When I hit enter now again, these two pages get exported to separate files. Let me show here the thumb hiding tool. Hit enter. I press T for thumb hiding and do here a rectangle in the similar way as with the pages. I hit F to add a page again. Hit enter, enter again, and these two pages get exported. So let's have a look at the exported version. Session 1. Here are all the photos. You can see here the program adds a file named .ptp for PhotoToPage. It's a simple ini file where all the geometries of the rectangles are stored. The exported pages go to the subfolder Pages, and for each page we get 3 files, as we can see here for the page 240. Once we get the unchanged image in color, just cropped, and then the enhanced grayscale image, and here for learning or debugging purpose also the histogram of the unenhanced grayscaled image. So let's have a look. Here's the color image. Here you can see the white rectangle for thumb hiding, which we have added. This is this one. Yeah, the next image is the enhanced image, which is quite more clear to read, a better contrast. And here you can see the histogram of the unenhanced grayscaled image, which isn't exported. This histogram is cropped to the lower 10%, so the other 90% are above this image. The image enhancement works this way. I detect the peak of the histogram, then go 30 gray steps towards black. So this limit is defined then as white, and I think 80 gray steps again. This is then the black border. So this area, or this range of gray values, will be expanded to the full range from black to white. That's how the contrast improvement happens. It's a very simple method, but it works for nearly all photos I've tested it on quite good. So the colored exported page is just a backup function if the automated image enhancement has severe problems, so it isn't readable or anything like that. You can take the colored image and improve it yourself with any image editing software. For example, this one is called Shotwell, and here you have the regulators. You can set saturation and so on, and do similar things. So when we have done this for all the pages in the folder, we have to put them together into one PDF file. And therefore I have already done this for some chapters. For example, this one. Here are all the exported images. As you can see here, I was too lazy to set a thumb rectangle. And the trick to put them together into one single output file is done with the software ImageMagick, and you just write convert asterisk .jpg to output demo.pdf, for example, hit enter, and it's done. We have the PDF we have wanted. I hope you liked the program, you enjoyed the video. Please leave me any comments via either by email or on GitHub. The software isn't perfect for now, but it's very usable already. If you have any feature requests or if you have found any bugs, please leave me a comment on GitHub. Thanks for watching.